In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can align your audio or music with your track using InShot video editor. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and let's get into it. Alright, I have here a video track and then I have here a sound effect or music track here. But as you can see, they are not aligned. So to first see your music track, if you can't see it, maybe it is like this and you can't see it. If you want to expose it, just go ahead and tap on this audio and then this will go ahead and expose your video here and then your audio on top here. To align this audio or this music to your video track, just go ahead and move it around to the starting point that you will wish, and I want it to start from here. So if I move and play, it will start from there. And then also go ahead and identify the endpoint. For my case, I want the endpoint to be here. So there are two ways. You can either go ahead and just cut this and then delete this part, select the other part that you don't want, and then to delete, just use this delete option and it will be gone. Alternatively, you can just go ahead and move this track. Just identify the endpoint and then tap on split and then select the part that you want to split and look for this option called delete. Tap on it and your music will be deleted. Once you're done, tap on that to confirm your changes, and now you have an audio track or music track that is well aligned with your audio. So that's how you align your audio or music with your video on InShot. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.